If you're cooking, you're going to cut lots of onions, and so you need to learn how to cut them up. First thing is, you see the stem right here? You got this little, this is the root where the roots come out, and this is the part of the onion that comes up out of the ground, right? Don't cut this, because this is kind of what holds the onion together. But we don't want to try to cut it because it's all rolly, it's round. So we're going to cut just a little bit of this off and create a flat surface, right? From there, we have a stable onion. Now you're going to go through, put your knife in the middle of this, and then gently cut through the middle of the onion. Now we have two halves, and they both have some stability. We need to peel the onion. Sometimes this is easier than not. There's one, and there's two. Now we're gonna do a basic chop of an onion. Right? We talked about this before. This is your claw. You want to keep your fingers out from underneath the blade where it's cutting. Right here, we're going to turn the onion at perpendicular to the blade, and we're going to make some cuts. But we're not going to go all the way through, because if we do, it's going to fall apart. Right? So we're going to just go ahead and make some cuts. We're using the fingers as a guide. We're going to cut through. We're going to turn the onion, we're going to put a claw down, and we're going to kind of have an angle, make one cut into the onion, about halfway. This is going to help break it up so when it falls apart. And then basically we're going to use the claw again, right? Cut and claw, to cut up pieces of onion. Depending how large you would like to have your pieces, that's how much you move your fingers, right? So if you want big pieces, you just cut big pieces. If you want small pieces, you don't move your fingers back that far. It's a little tricky when it gets down to the end here, right? So I usually just turn it, and I chop off some of the onion pieces, and then you just got the stem left. That's it. It's easy. The more you do it, the better you'll get.